equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Okay, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. And that's why another equation is also there. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Okay. Suppose, for example, I will clearly explain. Sin theta means sin theta by 1. Okay. Sin theta by 1. I will take denominator place is 1 also. Sin theta is no change. Denominator place as I will take 1. Numerator place is no change. That's why on this place I will substitute the 1. Sin theta by 1. Sin theta